Math Gad.
Hello guys, oh math god. Today we're going to be taking a look at the circle. Now in today's video we're actually going to be learning how to know if a given point is in the circumference of the circle. Okay guys, so let's begin. So guys, basically today we're going to be learning precisely that. So we are given a point and we want to know if that point is in the circumference or the perimeter of the circle, if you will. So we don't actually want to know if it's contained within the circle or if it's outside the circle. We want to know precisely if that point that they're giving us is in the very circumference or the perimeter of the circle, right? So in today's problem, we're going to see is 0.5 minus 2 on the circle with radius 5 and center 8 comma 2. Okay, so again guys, we have to remember that we're going to have a center, and in this case they're telling us that the center has coordinates comma 2, right? And they're asking us if the point 5 comma minus 2 is inside, outside, is it in the circumference, where is it, right? And they are telling us also that the radius is 5. So we know that the distance from the center to any point in the circumference is going to be 5. And that is what we're going to be using as a tool in order to know if um, our distance from the center to that one point is going to be 5. Okay? Now, in order to verify if the point is in the circumference, we're going to look at this. We're given the point, right? And we're going to find the distance between the center and the point, right? We're going to find the distance between this point and the center. Now, if the distance is 5, that means that that point is indeed in the circumference of the circle. But if it ain't, then that means that that point is not going to be in the circumference, okay? So now let's find the distance between the point and the center. Now the distance formula, if you guys remember, is going to be y2 minus y1 to the power of 2 plus x2 minus x1 to the power of 2. Okay, now we're going to have y2, right? So let's say it's going to be 2 from the center, 2 minus 2 to the power of 2 plus, and then 8 minus 5 to the power of 2. That is going to give us the square root of 2 minus 2, which is going to be 2 plus 2 to the power of 2, plus 8 minus 5, which is going to be 3 to the power of 2. Now, that's going to give us the square root of 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 to the power of 2 is 16, and 3 to the power of 2 is going to be 9. So the square root of 16 plus 9, which is 25. Now, because the distance from that point to the center is going to be 5, and that is exactly the value of the radius, right? Then that means that this point is indeed on the circle. Yes, this point is in the circumference of the circle. Okay, guys, if we had obtained another value different to 5, then that point was not on the circumference of the circle. But this is not the case. And that is pretty much it, guys. So pretty easy. A lot of logic behind that problem. So make sure you calculate that distance and find out if that point is or not on the circumference of the circle. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!